everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up and configure your Twitter app in order to use it with our Easy Social Stream plugin. It should only take you about 3 or 4 minutes to set up the app. It's actually pretty easy. It's not that difficult to do. I have had a few customers, that found the process a little bit confusing. But I think once I show you in this video, you'll see it's actually pretty simple to set up and configure. Okay, so I'm just going to jump into it here. So I'm already logged into my WordPress. This is just a testing site that I have set up on my server. So I'm logged into WordPress. I've already gone ahead and installed Easy Social Stream. So we're just going to access it from the menu here. And we're going to select Twitter. Okay. I've already gone ahead and just pre-configured some of the settings. So you'll see here that I've already enabled the Twitter stream. Set that to yes. I set the post limit to 10, and I've also enabled all of the display options. So that's already set up and configured. So now we just need to set up our Twitter app. And so you'll notice here that we've included a link that will take you directly to the Twitter apps page. So you just want to click on that link. It's going to open up a new window. Okay, so you just need to sign in with your Twitter account. So let's click sign in. And this is our Twitter apps page. So what you're going to want to do here is you're going to want to select create new app. Okay, so for name, I'm just going to call this Easy Social Stream Video Demo. You can name your app anything you want. You can also insert the same the same name for your description, or if you want something more descriptive, that's up to you. And you're going to want to set the website that will communicate with this Twitter app, right? So in this case, my URL is this one here, right? So it's very important that you set up the website correctly, because this is the domain that's going to be communicating with this Twitter app. Okay, so if you're trying to install Easy Social Stream on a different domain that you've specified here, it won't work. Okay, so this website URL needs to match the URL of the WordPress installation that has Easy Social Stream installed on it. Okay, so that's very important to remember. Okay, so callback URL, you can leave that blank. You don't need to insert anything for that. Now I'm just going to check off the developer agreement box, and I'm going to select create your Twitter application. Okay, so we've created our Twitter application. Now I'm going to go to keys and access tokens from the tab here. Okay, so we've already generated the first half of our application. So I'm just going to quickly copy the consumer API key, and we're going to paste that here. And we're going to select the consumer secret API key. We're going to copy this, and we're going to paste that in here. Now we're going to need our access token and our access token secret, and that's very easy to do. All you have to do is scroll down here, select create my access token, and there it is. Pretty easy. So let's copy the access token, and let's copy the access token secret. Okay, make sure there's no white spaces or empty spaces. Looks good. And then all you have to do is insert your Twitter screen name. So in my case, it's microthemes underscore micro underscore themes underscore WP. That's my Twitter username. You do not include the @ symbol in this field. You don't need that, and if you insert that, it won't work. So make sure you omit the @ symbol. Okay, now I'm just going to go ahead here. I'm going to hit Save Settings. And now I'm just going to quickly load the page so we can see the stream load. And there you have it. There's my so now we have the microthemes account being loaded on my testing on our testing site. And that's it. That's all you need to do in order to generate these fields. So it's pretty easy to do. It's only going to take you 2 or 3 minutes to set this up. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward, and that's it. So if you guys have any questions, if you found anything confusing in the video, or if if you have any questions, just go to our site at microthemes.ca. Use our support forms to submit your questions, or you can email us directly at support@microthemes.ca. And that's it. That's how you set up your Twitter app for Easy Social Stream. So thanks for watching.